This is the bingo doubler card. This is an instant scratch and win card. So when you pay $5 at any of the OLG retail outlet, this will be on display. You just randomly pick up any card and pay $5. You will get this card. Here on top, you will see the total prize amount. The top prize here shows 100K, and it's quite easy to play. You have this color card. These are 25 in number. You can see the circle. Right now I have scratched all to make it easy for you. So under each of the circle, there will be an alphabet followed by number. So if you see, these alphabet are nothing but BINGO. So when you find G56, the first one you see here, once you find this, you go to this bingo card, which are 6 in number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each bingo card you go and find if it has 56 in G. So we are at G, you see 56 here, come to this G, 56 is here, come to this G, 56 is here, come to this G, 56 is here, this G does not have 56, this G does not have 56. So you keep doing for each of the circle, and as you keep scratching, you will start to see the alphabet and the number. So you go to G again and then find 49. You do this for all 6 cards. You do this till this 25th circle, and once you're done with, you have all the alphabet and number here, like how you see in the color card, and then with the scratch you will see some pattern forming. Now if you see any free or double, scratch that also. You can go and do that, and once you do that, depending on the pattern what it makes, you could be the winner. Here, if you get line in any of the card, that could be with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This line could be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, as you see on the screen. If any of them gets this pattern, then you win $5, which is consistent for all 6 cards. Now, if you get 4 cornered, as you see on the screen, in that case, this will give you $15, which is consistent for all 6 cards. So you get the $15 as winning amount. If it makes a pattern T, as you see on the screen, then the amount is 50, which is again consistent across all 6 cards. And if it makes X, then you see the amount varies a little. If the X forms in card 1 and card 2, you get $100. And if it is in 3 and 4, you get $200. So depending on which card you get this pattern X, the amount you see is varying. If you're lucky and you get a box, depending on where the box is, if it is in card 1 and 2, the winning amount is 5,000. If it is in 3 and 4, 50,000. And if it is in 5 and 6, it's 100K. Now, one thing to note here is that when you are scratching double and you see the pattern forming, depending on what that pattern is, the money will double except for this 100K amount. And if you see the card which I have, the way it is made, you will not get double in this 5 and 6 outside. There's no double outside. It's all inside. So any which ways, you will not get that. That's how the winning amounts get decided. Free gives you extra opportunity to make that pattern, any one pattern, and double doubles your money. So that's why it's called bingo doubler. And once you're done with this, if you don't see any pattern, don't lose hope. You see this quick 25 here. If you get diamond in all 3, then you win $25. In this case, you see it's not diamond, so you don't get this $25. Again, make sure to scratch this place, and once you scratch, this is the QR code which you can scan on your OLG app, and this you could download on your Android Play Store, or if you are on iPhone, you could download on your iPhone app. And once you scan, you will get to know if there is any winning amount. So that's why this is an instant card. Now, if you turn this back, you see here, prize must be claimed by, here the date is given. So depending on your card, you will have to see what the date is. If you're playing instantly and you have a winning amount, most of the retailers immediately would give you cash. If it is a small amount, you can go to any retailer, give this card and claim the amount. You don't have to go to the same store. And if it is a bigger amount, in that case, you'll be told how to claim that. And that's where it becomes important that you have everything written here, and also have bill from where you get the card. That's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.